Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send BNB to opBNB. Alright, so your first step would be to open up your browser, be it your Chrome or any other browser. Once you've opened it, log on to the OP bridge, and once you've logged on, simply copy this address. So once you've copied this website link, minimize and open up your Trust wallet. We're going to be working with the Web3 wallet, so open up the Trust wallet. Now, in order to send your BNB to the opBNB network, all you need to do is simply head to the Discover section at the bottom right corner of the screen, where we have search or enter the app. Simply select the opBNB, click on search. All right, now simply click on connect wallet, click on Trust wallet, requesting connection, click on connect. And now, in order to move your tokens from BNB to opBNB mainnet, all you need to do is enter an amount. So let's go ahead and enter an amount. So simply enter an amount. Once you've entered the amount you wish to send, as you can see, there's a gas fee of less than $1 here. So all you need to do is simply click on deposit and then simply click on approve. And by doing this, you're going to be approving the transaction. And the deposit takes about 1 minute. All right. So once you're done, you'd find that you hold an amount of Optimism BNB on your wallet. So all you need to do now is head to the home section, perform a reload, and you'd find that the transaction has been completed. Here we go. The opBNB has been deposited on our wallet. So guys, that's how you can simply get this done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.